Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today I share with you how to make this delicious super moist carrot cake. You guys, this is so delicious and I hope you give it a try. So watch to the end to see how I made this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. The first step is to melt my butter and set aside. I will write the measurements in the comments section. Next, I will shred my carrot. I washed it nicely. Peel it before shredding, so make sure you do same. Once that is done, I will set aside. The next step is to work on my dry ingredients. In a bowl, I will measure in 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon powder and salt. I will sieve it to avoid sands or any dirt. Once that is done, I will mix to combine and set aside. The next step is to work on my wet ingredients. In a bowl, I will add 1 cup of brown sugar. You may also use white sugar if you prefer. Crack in 2 eggs. Vanilla extract. I will give it a good mix and add 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt and mix together. Next, I will add my melted butter, 2 cups of shredded carrots. I will mix everything together until well combined. Once that is done, I will add walnuts. This is optional. Feel free to skip it if you don't like walnuts. I will mix well to combine and mix the wet and the dry ingredients together. I will mix until everything is well combined. Next, I will grease my pan with butter. Pour in the butter into the pan, level the butter and make sure it settles into the corners of the pan and transfer in a preheated oven and bake for 50 to 60 minutes or until done. While the cake is baking, I will make a simple glaze for the cake. Again, this is optional. I will add some soft cheese and butter. Use my hand mixer to whisk until well combined. I will add 1 cup of icing sugar and whisk until everything is well combined. And my glaze is ready. I will set aside. Music. Let's go. 1 hour later, I check on the cake and it's ready. Allow it to cool before spreading the glaze or decorating it. I will top it up with walnuts to make it look beautiful and we are done. Enjoy with tea or coffee. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!